are tracking a Pinpoint Weather 12 alert for a heat advisory. If you need to cool off, the city of Providence opened cooling centers and will be handing out free bottled water. The city is also extending pool and splash pad hours through Wednesday, keeping them open from noon to 7 o'clock. And a reminder, we've listed all the cooling centers and their extended hours, not just Providence, but across Rhode Island and Southeastern Mass in our updated list at WPRI.com. And we're joined now by Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca. So how long is this heat sticking around, Tony?
Few more days. I mean, we've been through this before. The combination of heat and humidity making it feel hotter, and the net result, these feel like temperatures that have been running in the upper 90s to even close to 100. We seem to be going back and forth between Providence and Newport, but you get the idea. It's hazy, it is humid, and we've got temperatures now that are in the upper 80s to lower 90s. We take a look at Newport Harbor right now, so you can see a bit of a haze right now, and temperatures after reaching 91 degrees have slipped back to 89 in Providence, but again still hot and humid. You got coastal temperatures now that are in the lower to middle 80s, currently 89 in Providence, upper 80s in New Bedford, and still 91 in Taunton. And we're going to keep this heat as well as the elevated humidity right through Wednesday before things start to cool down a bit and get rid of some of the humidity, but not until Thursday. These dew points remain very high, exceptionally high. I mean, the rule of thumb is when you get dew points in the upper 60s to around 70, you've got a lot of humidity, but in some cases these dew points are running 74, 76 degrees. So this is just like South Florida kind of humidity. It's very high. So you combine that with the actual air temperature, which obviously is hot, you get these feel-like temperatures, this strip of purple right in here, upper 90s to a heat index at this hour at 100. And this is why the heat advisory has been issued and will continue over the next couple of days. We'll bring our threat tracker back down to low for tonight as the atmosphere cools. Of course, it's all relatively speaking. Of course, it's not comfortable tonight, very warm and humid. And then heat advisory conditions for both Tuesday and Wednesday. Afternoon feel-like temperatures running in the mid to upper 90s to even low 100s. One of the byproducts of heat and humidity, thunderstorms sometimes, and over the next couple of days, there's chances, though I think a vast majority of the daytime, both Tuesday and Wednesday, you really won't see much in the way of rain and thunder. In fact, here's the stretch of 90-degree weather now through Wednesday, and you start to see that to cool down by Thursday and on into the weekend. Satellite and radar composite. Locally, it's quiet. We've got a line of storms from Boston and on either side of the Mass Pike. We're going to watch far northern Rhode Island next hour or two to see if one or two of these can sneak down to the south. But otherwise, it is quiet across New England. Here's the wider view. Now, the front that'll bring the relief from the heat and the humidity is way back across the U.S.-Canadian border in the upper Midwest, northern plains, and that doesn't really swing through here until Wednesday night. As you can see, the heat up and down the northeast corridor right now. Philadelphia, 96 degrees, actual air temperature, not even a heat index. So our high temperatures for tomorrow, if anything, a few degrees hotter than where we were today, topping out between 90 and 95 degrees inland and the lower to middle 80s right along the immediate south shore. So for tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., it's already 74 and it's in the upper 80s by 11 a.m. And of course, many inland areas away from the ocean looking at temperatures topping out in the lower 90s, the heat index running close to 100 degrees. So it's certainly dangerous heat and humidity if you're out and about exerting yourself and working outdoors for a long period of time. You really need to be careful in weather like this. Beach forecast for tomorrow, any early morning fog giving way to sunshine, temperatures that are in the lower 80s. The beaches are looking, rather the bay forecast, looking at okay visibility, maybe a touch of fog early, southwest winds at 10 to 20 knots. All right, 7-day forecast, hot and humid right on through Wednesday. We'll watch for some strong thunderstorms Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, spilling over into Thursday morning. Some clearing by Thursday afternoon sets the stage for more comfortable weather Friday and on into the weekend. So we'll keep an eye to the sky each day for any isolated thunderstorms. Right now, it's relatively quiet.
And necessary to, again, keep cool, stay hydrated over the next few days.
Yeah, even when you're not thirsty, stay hydrated. It certainly helps in situations like this.
All right, Tony, thank you. And Tony and the Pinpoint Weather team are getting ready for the next edition of Beyond the Forecast. This one will be focused on tornadoes here in southern New England. Yeah, they'll be answering your questions, and you can submit them right now on WPRI.com. They'll be taking questions until Wednesday. Still ahead on 12 News.